Hi everybody, we're showing you this vacuum bagger today by CVP Systems. Of course, you got the two large knives here. You see the holes on there, your vacuum. We think we've got a bad relay in, there's the actual sealing bar itself. Closure. We think we've got a bad relay affecting one of the two palm switches required to close it, because we're only able to override to get a closure. But everything is functioning, the important part. All the switches working. Heat's coming on for bag sealing. And it's operating on 223 phase, I think 3-phase voltage. No, 440. Anyway, we'll have that information inside of our description for you with all the details, sizes, measurements, and everything. And we've got a lot of bag sealing equipment in our inventory, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.